Vamos, chavas.
Gracias, Victoria.
¿Quién?
Guys, como que eres más animada ahora.
They're just good in numbers.
Yeah, the girls are, I think,
We're
finally
tired.
No.
We're tired.
Come on, no more girls. Run it back.
No.
Run it back.
Does Saul count? No, he does not count. He has
Run it back.
Oh, you guys are winning.
What is he,
8,
like
7.
a unisex or something?
Oh, I counted 8. Oh, wow.
Run it back. Let's do this again.
Video.
Right.
First time in a while.
Honestly.
Alright, so vamos a entrar. Oh, still? Oh, okay.
Yes.
Oh, I thought it was just- okay, we all rise. Estiramos nuestras manos hacia el hermano. Señor, te queremos dar gracias por tener aquí al hermano Saúl. Bendiga su hogar, su trabajo, todas esas preocupaciones que tenga, Señor. Ayúdale a entender por qué es lo que estás haciendo que pase por esos momentos. Sabes que él puede, he can surpass these moments, sir. Y te pedimos que le toque el Espíritu Santo. It be you talking through him. Let it be what you have for us to have today. Todos ya tenemos esa semilla plantada en nosotros, Señor. Ahora deja que Saúl nos ayude más en feed us so we can be more hungry of your word, Lord. Todos te lo queremos agradecer en tu nombre, Jesús. Amén.
I'm gonna ask you again. ¿Cómo están, jóvenes?
Bendecidos, Victoria.
Okay.
¿Quién?
This is a tema, but basically also it's a review because this is something that you guys should already know. Algo de que ustedes ya deberían de saber. Entonces quiero hacer un poco diferente a como estamos acostumbrados. Entonces no vamos a estar hoy girls and boys. Yes, so we're gonna make 2 teams. Yeah, we're gonna teach you in a minute. So cuenten 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Wait.
Juan.
2.
Soy
1,
Juan.
2, 1, 2, 1,
Yes, you do.
2, 1. Okay, 1, 2.
Stay here.
Oh, two's over there.
Huh?
Me too. Wait, do we get in the
Every
No.
now and then I get a little.
That's our close friend.
She said turn around. That's your melody, okay? Come on.
Why is it
No,
there?
you came already.
Okay, join us.
Wait till you come.
Okay, so como es un review,
Why is there a video?
uh,
Camera.
don't pay attention. Don't pay attention to the
Are you
video.
gonna report us doing it?
I didn't sign consent for my face to be around.
Once you interview,
He's gonna record us doing.
So, Alelo?
Yeah.
okay, Alelo,
Yeah.
Chris,
Yeah.
Alelo. Okay, como vamos a jugar Team 1 versus Team 2,
Team one.
there's a prize at the end, hay un premio, so el ganador va a tener van a tener la grandiosa sorpresa de abrir y tener lo que es ahí inside of the Wonder Books. Wonder, the wonderful books of wonders.
Books of wonders. So we're getting books.
You can put it over here to make it more interesting.
What if it's a
Ooh.
turtle?
Coupons.
Okay, so
That's exactly
I think it's on that. You bring food for us?
It's the wonderful books of wonders and then the wonderful snacks of wonders.
so, ¿cómo se quieren llamar team?
Team one.
Team Juan?
Yeah, 'cause we're the
It's
real
something
ones.
else.
Buena onda, maravilla.
Something.
We can do like an hour right here.
What's the name for your group? Come on,
Great I
guys.
am.
Like
I agree that.
Really, Amber can just look forward and.
Whenever Moses.
You can't just ask for something.
Can we just-
How about?
Whenever
It's just something big, like Holy Spirit. There you go.
The dancers.
The dancers.
No.
The paraclete.
What? Oh, wait, that's another name for the Holy Spirit.
I can't spell that in English. ¿Cómo se van a llamar ustedes?
What's her name?
Wait, give us the good marker. That,
Now we should be looking for it.
it's that one. What do you have in your hand?
It's in your hand. It's not what I was going for,
That's
but
the good
okay.
marker.
It's a pear,
Specific.
I know.
Why you're not third grade?
No, it's another name of the Holy Spirit.
Oh.
Or the monster.
Or the stars.
That's the big
Just do monstrous.
monster.
You know what I was saying?
Okay. ¿Cuál es su nombre? ¿Cuál es su nombre?
Hey, what's our name?
If you can draw the symbol in your glasses, like the list, watch them actually draw it, but they mark it up like.
Monstrance, not monster.
What's the alpha?
The Monstars. This is
Like that?
Jim.
Just
Just do the Monstars. Where this is Space Jam.
Doesn't come out.
Wait, I forgot how to spell it.
It's Mon and then stars.
That's a fish.
Mon
That's
stars.
I don't remember.
But no,
Mon
they
stars.
What?
Oh,
Write it out.
alright.
That's fun.
Monsteins?
What is mine? What's the milk?
Just do the Monstars. Come on.
Put something basic.
Second grade teacher, I don't know.
You need to know something that's
Okay.
like good.
¿Listos? ¿Aló?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Ok, vamos a empezar.
It's just alpha.
Dice, ya fue, no me- Ok, vamos a empezar esta serie de... ¡Aleluya! Pongan atención. Vamos a empezar este primer set de temas, y este set de temas es un poco de más seriedad, ¿ok? So, esta primera parte la quise hacer un poco más, ¿cómo se llama? Playful, para que antes de entrar a lo más serio, cuando empecemos los 7 pecados capitales. Esta es la introducción a los pecados. ¿Ah? Yes. Don't get scared, because it's going to be actually very insightful. You're going to learn a lot about yourself and a lot about things that you didn't know, and it's really good. I love this series.
Are we gonna learn more
This
things?
was my favorite. Ok, so vamos a empezar primero que nada. ¿Por qué es el pecado? ¿Qué creen que es el pecado? Una ofensa contra Dios.
Temptation. Raise your hand.
Es una ofensa contra Dios. Sí. Exactamente, sí, el pecado es toda acción o omisión voluntaria contra la ley de Dios, que consiste en decir, hacer, pensar o desear algo contra los mandamientos de la ley de Dios o de la iglesia. So, guys, no vayan a creer que me lo estoy sacando todo de la manga o nada más lo inventé. Todo esto está en el catecismo y tiene sus bases bíblicos, ¿ok? So, empezando desde el... empezando desde el numeral 1846 hasta el 1876.
What? 1846 to what?
1846 to 1876.
What? The importance of those dates?
No, they're the numerals on the catechism. Okay, so everything is based on that. So, tienen un punto para los...
Monstars. Space Jam, guys.
Ok,
I didn't know we
siguiente.
were starting.
Ok, la siguiente.
Well, we're starting.
Vamos a empezar desde el principio.
So when 2 people left.
Continue to go on.
See, the birds and the bees, whichever has 6, I mean 7, 8. That's you. Yeah, it comes up. Okay, empezando desde el principio, ¿cuál fue dónde se habla primero del pecado? En Génesis, yes.
Wait, are we supposed to raise our
I
hands
feel like
how
that
does
was
our
there.
buzzer?
Okay, shut it out. The
Well,
first
it is
one, it's okay.
Genesis.
Genesis.
Just be a buzzer.
¿Cuál es ¿quiénes cometieron ese pecado?
Eva.
Okay,
We're raising our hands and being gentlemen.
Your first two rounds were just shouts.
Pero ¿quién dijo quién cometió el primer
He said
pecado?
shouts. He
Eva.
didn't say hands.
I don't know who
¿Quién es?
but I know her by Eve.
Pues el único trabajo era Adán.
Okay,
Okay, let's not go to all that.
Sorry. Well, technically, if you guys want to go technically, you guys are wrong. Also.
I said Adam.
Lucifer.
Yes, yes, but that's not what I was asking.
Well, we get the point.
But I'm gonna award you guys both a point.
Yay.
No.
Okay, levanten la mano and shout first. Okay?
Wait, we raise our hand and
Yes.
shout? Or
Yes.
No, raise your hand.
Because I need to hear where the voice is coming from. Okay, so
raise your
ahora,
hand.
¿cuál fue ese pecado? ¿Cuál fue ese primer pecado?
Desobediencia a Dios.
Desobediencia.
He didn't even raise his hand.
Pero dijiste la desobediencia de Dios.
A Dios.
Oh, okay.
Desobediencia a Dios.
Que la desobediencia. When Adam and Eve took the forbidden fruit, it wasn't the sin taking the fruit or eating of it. It was the disobedience of
Not listening.
not listening to God. That's what it said.
Can I get bonus points by saying what Lucifer said?
No.
We're not there yet.
Do you have to call on us when we raise our hand? Can we just raise our hand and yell it out?
He said raise and shout.
Raise it.
Shout.
Okay, so estamos. Adán y Eva cometieron ese primer pecado original, right? Entonces, toda acción tiene una reacción, right? Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. I still haven't done anything. So every action has an equal and opposite reaction. That's true for everything. So la ¿cómo se dice? Consecuencia de esa acción que tuvieron nuestros primeros padres fue el pecado. Entonces fue el pecado y a través de esa consecuencia nos heredaron algo a nosotros. ¿Qué fue eso?
Concupiscencia. El pecado original.
I don't know big words like that.
Original sin.
too fast.
Original sin.
¿Qué nos heredaron a través de eso?
I had to think twice.
Sí, el pecado
Kind
original.
of hard.
We already
said it, though.
No. You know what they gave us?
Oh, y'all did.
Okay.
Labor pains.
¿Eh?
Labor pains.
Yeah, yeah.
Stress.
Okay.
Wow.
So, René dijo una palabra que
The big word
yeah,
that I don't know.
que nosotros tenemos que conocer, que es concupiscencia.
Es la inclinación del pecado.
In English would be concupiscence. No, I'm just kidding. I think it's concupiscency, something.
What is it? And I can't do it.
Concupiscency.
I can go
All these
He's the teacher.
Concentration.
Is that one?
Something, I don't know. I didn't.
Google it.
Go. I'm already Googling it. Sorry.
But-
They stop whining down.
Phone friend.
What this means is that we're inclined to sin. Because of that first sin that our Adam and Eve committed, cuando ellos cometieron el primer pecado, nos heredaron esta acción, esta concupiscencia, esta tendencia a nosotros pecar. Entonces se dice que al principio de los tiempos, en el jardín del Edén, ellos tenían un nivel muy grande de ¿cómo se dice? De acercamiento a divinidad, esa era la palabra que estaba buscando, divinidad acerca con Dios. Entonces, tenían muchas cosas que ahorita nosotros no tenemos. Entonces, al cometer esa desobediencia, al pecado, al pecar y desobedecer, nos pasaron todo eso a nosotros, porque eso se hereda en las generaciones. Lo que nosotros hagamos aquí también podemos pasárselos a nuestros hijos. Por eso tenemos que tener mucho cuidado de las cosas que hacemos. ¿Okay? So, la concupiscencia, el pecado original, no es, como por decir, fair para nosotros. Después de que Adán y Eva pecaron, entonces Dios, aunque ellos pecaron, Dios no los abandonó. Entonces dijo que iba a mandar a alguien para restaurar esa unión, ¿verdad? Y ese fue Jesús. Entonces, para limpiar esto, Él nos mandó algo para borrar ese pecado original. Gracias. So, ¿qué es eso que nos hace borrar este pecado?
I was going to say that. Did you raise your hand?
Yeah, you did.
He's on our team.
So I was about to say that.
El bautismo.
I was expecting
El bautismo borra el pecado original.
Still mad.
In all fairness, I have to translate in my head. So
Well,
that's
he's
why
the
I'm
only one
slow.
answering. No.
Hey,
No.
no.
Back and forth in English.
I was about to answer, but then he screamed out the answer.
Same.
I was like,
So, the baptism was the key for us to lose that original sin. Con eso, con bautizarnos, se nos borra ese pecado. Es como borrón y cuenta nueva. Pero antes de bautizarnos, no somos hijos de Dios, solo somos creación de Dios. Al ser bautizados en la iglesia bajo el Padre, el Hijo y el Espíritu Santo, pasamos a ser hijos e hijas de Dios. Right? So, el bautismo no solamente nos borra ese pecado original, sino que también nos hace hijos otra vez y hijas de Dios. O sea, nos restaura ese lugar que perdimos por el pecado original. So, hasta ahí vamos bien, right? El pecado original. So, no les dije, pero hay varios tipos de pecado. El primero es el pecado original. Y hay más de un solo tipo de pecado. Entonces, hay dos tipos de pecado que cometemos nosotros. Entonces, ¿cuáles son esos dos tipos de pecado? Yeah, I still wasn't asking. So,
just don't do it as a point.
yeah, well, I still hadn't asked the question.
No,
Melanie, you gave the
answer.
answer away.
I said it twice.
Yeah, but still hadn't asked the question.
Melanie,
You said it.
Okay, sorry.
don't argue. He's going to make us lose a point.
It's okay. Yes.
If you play with the Ouija board, does that mean you're no longer a child of God? Because I heard you go to hell for that.
That's a really good question, but that wouldn't lose your place in us being a child of God. But it is a really bad sin, because you're basically opening the door to the demons. The devil can't do nothing to you. The devil can't do nothing to you unless you let him in. So take as the devil as a dog on a leash. I mean, tied on a stick or something. A very vicious dog. A steak,
We get what you mean.
something that doesn't let it go. The point is that he can't hurt you if he's just there. But if you get close to the dog, it's gonna attack you, right? So the devil's the same. He can't hurt you. He can't do nothing to you unless you let him in. So playing with the Ouija board, that's basically just begging the dog to bite you. So yes, that's very bad. But doesn't take takes your place as being child of God. Okay? So estamos en pecado mortal, en pecado venial. Mortal sin and venial sin. Venial y mortal.
Sorry.
Alright, no, calm
What
down.
is it?
I got more of that.
Ah,
I can't say it.
ok, vamos a empezar con el pecado venial. Ok, so, el pecado venial es rechazar un don menor de Dios. Es algo imprescindible para mantener en la vida sobrenatural. No produce muerte en la alma, sino enfermedad, debilitamiento. No separa al hombre de Dios completamente y no excluye de su gracia ni de su amistad. ¿Ok? Un pecado venial depende de la materia que se haga, del pecado que cometiste. So it depends on the sin that you committed. On the level, you know, there's 1 to 10, 1 to 100. There's 3 things actually that make.
I already know.
Wait for the question.
I'm waiting for the
Wait for
question.
the
You
question.
should make her saying if she gets it wrong, take off a point.
Then it counts for y'all.
I'm a confirmation teacher, let's go.
There's 3 things.
Humble.
There's 3, ¿cómo se dicen? Requirements. Yes, that's the word I was looking for.
Point.
You're slacking.
There's 3 requirements for being a mortal sin and a venial sin, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Point.
Yes.
You look at me like I'm gonna give you the answer, but I'm
Yes, I'm waiting for you to go like, yes, I know.
That's what you get for sitting in the front.
Okay, so hay 3 requerimientos para ser pecado venial y pecado mortal. Entonces, esos 3 requerimientos para ver de dónde caes. El primero es, ¿qué es?
It has to be a great matter. Do you want me to say
No, just one, just
Okay.
one.
It has to be a great matter.
Yes, tiene que haber materia grave. Tiene que haber
Point.
materia.
Why are we going so
Grave.
slow?
El segundo,
It has to be, you have to know what it is.
yes. Tienes que tener consentimiento. Conocimiento, perdón. Tienes que tener conocimiento. You have to know that you actually sin.
Yeah, put it down.
And let's think about it. We all know when we sin. Like, even if you try to think, like, no, that wasn't a sin. You do know, deep down inside of you,
I
you
know
do
it's
know
not.
when you do something something right. If your mind is telling you, like, maybe I shouldn't do this, there you go. That's basically your conscience advising you and saying that you do know that it's something wrong. ¿Y cuál es la tercera?
You do it anyway.
What?
You do it anyway.
Do it anyway.
You gotta do it. Yeah.
Well,
Doesn't that kind of go No, with isn't the third one?
Because
No.
knowing and actually doing it are 2 completely different things.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry.
yeah.
But that's not the answer that it is.
That wasn't the
You're
answer.
still wrong. You're still wrong.
Have you been
Isn't it along the lines?
I
of
haven't.
how to build
I was looking for a word.
Y'all are too aggressive with these answers.
So,
It could be
so hay conocimiento.
Desobediencia.
Conocimiento.
Oh, no.
Sounds like tip of my tongue, but I don't know.
Y hay otra palabra que yo la dije.
When did you sing it? You put a tiny step.
¿Qué sería?
Rewind on the video.
You guys were right, but I was looking for consentimiento.
Consent.
Consent. That was the word that I was
We
looking for.
said that.
You see, that wasn't.
Yeah, but that was
we
past.
said it
So nobody got that point. I was looking for.
Ha!
I
for
just
consent.
said it.
Yeah, but it was
No,
past.
you said it in Spanish. I said it in English.
Consentimiento.
Because someone can force you
So basically, is you do it anyways. That's the. I was
can't
looking
use
for
my
the word.
words
I
now.
was looking for the word.
Don't use
I
my
see
words
which
now.
team you were on.
Keep going, keep going.
I was looking for that word. So, 3 things, right? To see if you were doing model or venial scene. You have to know there has to be a brave material. You have to be conscious about it, and you have to be you have to consent to do that. Okay? You have to do it anyways. So, para ser pecado venial, no hay materia grave. Aquí no hay. Acá sí. Con conocimiento puede haber aquí sí. Y aquí también. Y consentimiento.
What is the first one?
What?
It has to be grave
Very
matter.
material.
It has to be like
Like
a
it has to be something that.
Like you're gonna voluntarily murder someone.
Okay.
Doggy
So
style.
for
Maybe
for
not
another
that.
hello,
Yeah.
for another point, another question, another
Hey.
question,
For another question.
for another point. Okay. No, I'm giving you for everybody.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
What's considered brave material?
The Ten
Yeah.
Commandments, 7 capital sins and virtues.
You
Well,
should
the
take
first
off
one.
a point because you pointed at us.
Oh yeah.
Wait, but he
Wait,
said you
I was
could-
gonna
I
say
thought-
something.
I
don't
didn't say
worry.
shout it out. Just shout the answers.
Oh. That was the point of you pointing.
Well,
He
you guys.
was- you haven't
I
used
was
that.
salty.
Because he thought you had it, but you didn't.
No, it's the.
Fight this girl.
Someone will catch these Asians.
Love and
Not
peace.
right now. I don't think this is a good idea anymore.
Wait for it. Wait for it.
He's still
My hands are sweating.
Have faith in me.
We need some hands.
So
Okay.
just point at the person, all right? They'll make it easier.
Okay.
No, don't do that because
No.
that's
We
not
don't
going
raise our
to be.
hands.
I already
No
said that.
points.
If you raise your hand,
They have
you
3
can
seconds to
point
find the
at
answer.
you.
Okay, they don't, you can call on someone else.
I like that.
Okay, Melanie, just the first one. What you said?
Take your hand.
Yes. That's basically it. It's all there. If you said something, the 7 deadly sins and something, but those are also in like the 10th commandment. So
So,
basically,
I have a question.
if you go against the 10 commandments, that's grave sin.
Wait, so,
Uh,
when you said 10
I
commandments, like lying, that's a grave matter,
It
lying.
depends
On the lie.
The lies.
No, not all the 10 Commandments are the 7 deadly sins. The deadly sins are in the 10 Commandments. So in part of the all 10, the deadly sins go with some of them, not all of them.
I think we're.
Takes bits and pieces.
I think we're not. We don't.
You don't
I'm
understand.
getting the feeling that we don't know the 10 commandments. Okay.
I
So I'm gonna ask. Yes, I'm gonna ask the first 10 command. The first commandment.
One God, you should only have one God.
Okay. Point for you guys. Second commandment. Anyone?
Do not use the Lord's name in vain.
or don't have other
One for
gods
you.
before me.
That's. We're in 2. I mean 3.
Go to church,
Basically.
the Holy Sabbath day.
Keep holy the Sabbath.
Wait, what number are we on?
4.
Four. Parents.
Honor your mother and your father. 5, don't kill.
5. Don't kill.
6, do not commit adultery.
6. Do not commit adultery.
7, don't steal.
Don't steal. Okay.
8, don't commit false witness.
9, don't covet your neighbor's wife.
10, don't covet your neighbor's goods.
I'm walking out.
That's not straight.
I know that this is like a team effort, but your teammates.
Yeah.
Okay.
You still got the points though, right?
Yeah.
No, we were
But I
supposed
think
to raise our
that's
hands so we could point at us
Get
and
all
answer.
It's too, it takes too much time.
Okay.
I got a
So,
little competitive, I'm sorry.
so we know what son los 10 mandamientos. So eso es materia grave. Conocimiento is that you have to be conscious about it. Okay. Y consentimiento is that you have to do it anyways. Sometimes we don't have consentimiento or conocimiento or consentimiento. Sometimes we do it because we don't know. Sometimes, what is that saying? Ignorance is bliss, right? Okay. So, cuando tú sabes que estás haciendo algo mal, ese es conocimiento. Y cuando decides de todos modos lo voy a hacer, ese es consentimiento. Ok, so digamos que ustedes van a la tienda, les voy a poner un ejemplo, y ven algo que les gusta, pero piensan, dice, está tan fácil de nada más agarrarlo, right? Entonces esa es materia grave, siendo que es no robarás. Entonces, consentimiento, tú sí sabes que robar es malo, entonces tú sí lo sabes. Entonces sí hay consentimiento y conocimiento y consentimiento, y si lo hacen sabiendo que es malo, eso sería consent. So, eso sería sí. Y este puede ser sí y no. Y este puede ser sí y no.
What if you do it just because you want to see if you can get away with it, but then you return it?
You still do it. You still do
Ah,
it.
la
Biblia dice no las cosas buenas que parezcan malas, porque
Yeah,
son unas-
It would be basically you would be down the line and you don't really want to
Back
be
and forth or
there.
something.
So basically, it's kind of like when you go shopping and you put something in your cart and that's at the very bottom and you don't see it when you're checking out and you leave. You get home and you're like, oh my gosh, I didn't pay for this.
No.
It depends on
Or
what you
I
it
just
depends
maybe
on what you do
return.
after.
But that's an accident.
But yeah, but I don't return, so.
Okay, then.
This was gonna return for a $1 Dawn soap.
Well, that also
Bottom of
depends
the
on what it
basket.
was.
So it's this. It's a different kind of sin. So you didn't actually commit, you didn't steal technically, but you did something else. So it kind of goes back and forth. Ok, so ya dijimos el pecado venial y el pecado mortal. El pecado mortal tiene que haber materia grave, tiene que haber pleno conocimiento y tiene que haber pleno consentimiento. La materia grave son los 10 mandamientos, ya dijimos conocimiento y consentimiento. Ok. Ok, so vamos con los pecados capitales. 7 deadly sins.
Okay, yeah, I don't match up with these.
Ok, so los pecados capitales se pueden resumir en una palabra. Estaría muy impresionado si me pueden decir cuál es esa palabra.
Capital amor or deadly.
Can you repeat that,
It's
please?
It's like-
one word summarized.
That 7 deadly sins can be summarized in one word, or rather, what is
Is it virtues?
no, that's the opposite. But
Wait, I don't know if this is right.
Just say it.
Vices?
And yes, that's actually worth 2 points because that's a very. I was vicios.
That was good.
Los pecados capitales se pueden resumir en vicios, que son I can say that,
Vices.
bad vices, that's thing, or bad habits, basically. So, okay, I think I missed something before we move to the 7 deadly sins. So, obviously, back to the mortal and venial. Mortal sins obviously take away the grace from God. Venial sin don't. So does that mean that if you do venial sin, you're okay? That,
No.
no, that's not.
There was a question.
No.
I guess I shouldn't.
You didn't say it like
What's
a
the
question.
Okay, so does that mean you're okay? You're good?
No.
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 How many points is that?
Just a guess, no?
Okay, so venial sin, pecado venial y pecado mortal. El pecado mortal mata la gracia de Dios. Lo podemos ver como una enfermedad. Y una enfermedad grave podríamos decir cáncer. Okay. El pecado mortal es algo que te lleva a la muerte y que es muy seguro que puedas morir. El pecado venial es algo más, es una enfermedad un poco más leve, digamos,
The common cold.
una gripe, el common cold. So,
If you don't treat it right.
So take
The
your
point.
vitamins.
yes, So, if you have a common cold and you just leave it there,
You go
would you be fine? If you don't do anything?
It just depends. Make it
That's on your
You can- Yeah, if you can, if you don't leave it unchecked, maybe your body would fight it, yes, but it can actually grow up to be something else, and then,
And then in the words of Adamari, you gonna die, fella.
and if you keep doing the same thing,
You go get pneumonia.
you're gonna get pneumonia and you can die. So, venial sin can be built up and become mortal sin. So, just because your sins are venial, don't think you're in the clear, okay?
Okay.
Treat it like the common cold. Fight it. Tomen sus calditos de pollo, su vaporú.
Con el ibuprofen de 800.
Se ponen el limón a cargar o no. Ok, so regresa. Vamos.
I've never heard that.
You want me to use my journal now?
I think I've heard that.
Ok. So llegamos a la parte de los 7 pecados capitales. Ya dijimos que los 7 pecados capitales son vicios, vices. Right? So es una cosa que haces constantemente, es un hábito que haces así y así y así, comienzas. Y eso se vuelve algo que te ata a ti, y como todos los bad habits, it becomes almost impossible to break away. Okay?
I just remembered them.
So, we're gonna have a little, una competencia entre ustedes.
Why is it always one?
Van a escribir los 7 pecados capitales aquí. Las reglas es que solamente va a pasar una persona y va a escribir uno. Esa persona no puede decir a los demás lo que sabe. Va a pasar alguien más y va a escribir otro. Y así.
Does it matter English or Spanish?
English or Spanish, I don't care. So va a ser la primera persona que...
Okay, I'm gonna go last.
Because I,
Alright.
So,
the ones y'all don't.
a la una,
Just
a las
write down
dos,
one,
wait for it.
one,
So, cada quien va a escribir uno.
yeah, anyone.
¿Listos? Escuchen. Guys, pay attention. Okay, so,
That's cheating.
each
I'm
person,
last.
each person is gonna write one and then change it.
No, wait, what?
And then pass it to somebody else, and then it's gonna change. You can't shout, you can't help your
I'm not gonna
teammates.
cheat, guys.
No pueden ayudar a sus, no pueden decir las Start, come on.
Escribir los pecados capitales. Sí, uno.
Go, Steph, go. Wait, that's one.
Pero si no se puede
Yeah, I
leer.
don't know in
I
Spanish.
can read it.
Oh, well, I can't.
This is why you can do it in English.
We need another.
Anybody?
Just dropped their book.
No.
You know what, Chris?
Is that it?
Easy one.
I like the one.
Wait, can we change it?
Is it up?
No.
Rewrite it.
Well, it's okay.
They wrote 8, didn't they?
7.
No, I said.
You learn how to count?
Yay.
We didn't know that. Sorry, guys.
We're good.
I'm sorry, I don't like this game.
Bring up the evil one.
And you?
Lost? I didn't know Lost was a
I just wait for it, pay attention, and have faith in me. I'm about to lay some really good, como se dice, cool, yes.
Yeah, really.
So, vamos en, ¿tenías un
What is lujuria?
Lujuria means lust.
Yeah, that's why we have Lost on the bottom.
Okay, so, en orden de como los aprendí yo es, el primero es soberbia,
Diana knows this one in a song.
And she's not here, too bad.
Can we phone a friend?
Or
Should be on our team, right? 'Cause
Right.
It would be.
Yeah.
they're connected, so it's like.
Never these people.
no, she wouldn't consider
Not
nice
during
on her
youth,
team.
no, but they're partners, so they come
That's
together.
not during youth group,
Usually.
Yeah, not during youth group.
No,
Yeah.
Purple.
Okay, but they have 2 leaders, so.
Yeah.
That just happened.
So do y'all.
Yeah, sibling is not a thing.
It's not helping.
If you don't get one in there, then we get the end of the day.
Are you guys even paying attention to what I'm writing?
Yeah, I've seen that.
Okay. El tercero sería Gula.
Can I get extra points if I say the opposite of what they are?
No, it's on our side in English.
Gula
What
is
is
gluttony.
Loaded?
How does that small word turn into that big word?
Avaricia would be greed.
That's what she said.
Stop it, Geeka, we're in church.
You want to now?
Yeah, that's very.
That was very loud.
Avaricia would be greed. Envidia. Envidia, it's envy.
Really? I know it's infectious.
Envy.
I didn't even hear what Geeka said.
Ira would be wrath.
Anger.
Oh, wrath.
You're up.
Chris?
I'm actually impressed that most people say anger, but that's.
Most people.
I wrote greed.
Okay, we don't have anger, so we can't.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
Definition of anger.
So ira would be wrath or anger.
Do we get extra point for that?
No.
Okay, we should stop this.
Wrath or anger, and the last one is pereza.
Someone's full of rap.
Teresa.
One, my girl.
That's a good novela.
Or Ok, so esos son los 7 pecados capitales. Este es el orden en los que los vamos a ir aprendiendo. Ok, so vamos a tener 7 temas y vamos a estar aprendiendo sobre los 7 pecados capitales. Y el primero va a ser sobre la soberbia. So, esperen eso que va a ser la próxima semana. Vamos a aprender sobre la soberbia. Y vamos a aprender otra cosa. Porque siempre hay ¿cómo se llama? Polar opposites of each thing. So what would be the polar opposite of a deadly sin?
Virtue.
Humble.
Yes, a virtue.
Ooh.
Hey,
Can we not do this today? Can you darken it up?
I answered something.
Hey, yeah, you haven't given us our points for the 7.
So
We should
can
give
we
us
get
7
our
for that.
7 points?
No, 6 more.
Calm down.
They got 1 for the 10, so it's.
That's,
Okay, but where's ours from the 10? Because I remember
No,
I went
yeah.
half on these.
It's
Yeah,
okay,
he
it's
did,
okay.
He kept going point.
It was point for point, guys.
And don't forget,
Okay.
y'all got a mercy point from.
Y'all did. Y'all
I
did.
can't
That's
do
not
that.
So, los voy a poner a competir otra
It
vez
wasn't a mercy point, she just happened to know.
For virtues?
por las virtudes.
Wait, hold on.
Wait, sorry, we got it.
Again, the same thing. I don't want to shout the answer. No, because that would just give you wouldn't give the opportunity to other people, even though if you don't know much, it doesn't work if you don't give
Going,
it.
get
So,
Oh, yeah, go.
7 virtudes que serían los contrarios a los pecados capitales.
Okay.
Now 7 opposites of holy.
Wait, no, never mind, yeah.
Yo, just write the.
No, you just have to do the.
You want to write
Wait,
the-
that's the same thing.
Oh, you did?
It's okay, now it's translated.
Or do you want the biblical?
No, that's fine.
Just go, Melanie.
I'm trying to see that I get my points and I don't get cheated again.
Can we take
For the third time.
Yeah.
Film plan?
Oh, I don't know.
What's the-
No, have you done?
What's the
Have you done?
translation?
What's
I'm just gonna write generosity.
Yeah.
No.
Generosity killed the cat. Somebody? Somebody? Y'all are just looking away.
About what?
You're looking at your phone.
Hey, disqualified,
Chris,
disqualified.
Hey,
This is a learning opportunity
You're
for
looking at your
us.
phone.
For
Yeah,
him
that's
too. Take away 3 points.
You
This
still
is a
got
learning
it.
process right now.
Brotherly love.
Yeah.
that's cheating and that's disqualification. And then going
If they
again
not go to
will be
college, like,
technically
that's-
cheating, so nobody gets a point.
What we did was not enforced as them. We were venial, they were mortal.
Since
Yeah.
our equal.
Yeah.
That's
We
the
get
one
half
we
a
are
point.
running into our
We get
answers
half
at
a
the
point.
beginning.
And I didn't even write anything, I just stood
Yes.
and I not stand.
No.
It said
No, you
not
can't
in my
stand.
right to stand.
Hey, we're here to learn, right?
You have to
Yes.
at least take
So we
off
should get
1
half
point for them
points.
doing that. Otherwise,
points,
they're
how
gonna do it
about
again because you
No
didn't teach them.
justice.
I'm scared.
Do you guys realize what you're doing, right?
Yeah. This is awesome.
Guys, this is a learning
I knew we needed to debate someday.
Against each other. I'm okay with that.
I did this.
Are you acting a great
He's making us.
Because we would all be wrapped at each other.
I did
I'm
this
never coming back.
to see how you guys were gonna deal with it.
So I am recording.
I knew that you guys were gonna go competitive on each other,
Melanie.
and then
Ariana.
and that brings, Alelo,
Yeah. Win. Yeah.
that brings the worst in people.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't
Okay,
even know I left you
so-
on the ground.
We're gonna go soberbia a los morenos.
I have a
Pride.
list
Pride.
Right.
Soberbia sería la humildad.
Well, do I get a point because I did mine?
La humildad o humility. De la lujuria sería la castidad or chastity.
I know, I wrote that.
She actually did.
Ooh. No, that's.
So what we're hearing is that you wrote two.
That's bothering
No, I wrote.
Oh, you
I didn't.
La de lo opuesto de gula sería templanza.
Temperance.
Temperance.
Is there another word for that?
Yeah, but
That's
you
what the
wrote
word is.
templanza. That's actually.
Templanza.
Templanza or temperance. What's temperance?
Moderation when you have patience.
Moderation, right?
Which we don't have right now.
Templanza would be moderation, yes.
Oh,
And that's,
you asked the question.
See? I'm just
Era
gonna
la
say
pregunta.
something.
He just asked for
Yeah, but like I said,
that was for a point.
Oigan todos que sí. No, 2 points, don't push it.
Okay. Ya me perdí dónde voy. Gula, avaricia. Avaricia, lo contrario de avaricia or greed would be generosidad. Generosidad, sencillez or generosidad.
I wrote that.
I wrote it
Yay.
I forgot.
Okay. La envidia, lo que ustedes han estado peleando mucho en este. What's the opposite of envy?
Brotherly love.
No,
Yes, kindness. Kindness. You guys were right, but I was.
Kindness. Point.
We're far. Kindness or what? Caridad. Caridad en español, kindness en inglés.
See, y'all can't say it.
Sí, right?
Para ira, ¿cuál es
What?
ira? Wrath,
Peace? Oh.
anger,
Patience.
paciencia. But Stephanie actually wrote the word that I was looking for, meekness.
Oh, what's that?
Ah, good
I thought
job.
that was weakness.
I don't know what that was.
Well, y'all were rushing her. She couldn't write it.
Yeah, while y'all were cheating.
So meekness or paciencia. Right. Patience.
Salty.
Y pereza, ¿cuál sería
Just
lo?
skills, we didn't have to use our
I
phone.
think you need a little
What's
weakness.
What's meekness and
What is it? Paciencia or patience, basically.
Yes, Ari.
Pero paciencia es una virtud.
Estamos
Mansedumbre.
No, mansedumbre es diferente, pero creo que también la ponen así, pero paciencia es la que usan. Mansedumbre sería meekness en inglés, so, la traducción. Mansedumbre va también con eso.
Perfect day.
Pereza or sloth?
Bob is,
Yes, diligence. Good job. Very proud of you. Diligence.
You go, daughter.
Can we get an amber point for that?
Laboriosidad.
God knows, so we should.
she said,
Split the points.
Laboriosidad or diligencia. Diligence.
Oh, yeah.
It's with a C, isn't it?
Ah, that's all.
Someone's a little prideful.
Just ignoring you. I got all the answers.
Yeah, I can actually read it.
Ok, so, de esto, aleluya. So, de esto es de lo que vamos a aprender en estos próximos semanas. So, una última oportunidad para puntos y esta vale 5 puntos. Ok? So, there's actually one sin above the deadly sins. If anybody can tell me, and I actually be surprised if somebody tells me, what is that type of sin?
¿El pecado contra el Espíritu Santo?
You don't say it.
Y por eso es mi ahijado.
What is it? Oh.
So, we're going to learn about the 7 deadly sins and los pecados contra el espíritu.
There's more than one. I mean, let's
Huh?
Is blasphemy the same thing or different?
Blasphemy, that will fall in,
For the vices,
no,
Mortal.
The Ten
the Ten
Commandments.
Commandments.
Oh.
But it does go with the,
Okay.
it has to add more to it to become,
I just wanted to know if it was close to what he was gonna say.
it goes that way, but it needs more to build up, yes. So los pecados contra el Espíritu Santo,
that's gonna be your like,
What would that be?
that's a B5.
Huh?
5 in Roman numerals.
No, I feel like, what's an example?
Ok, sí, les voy a dar un pequeño ejemplo de cuáles son los pecados contra el Espíritu. Pero no les quiero hablar mucho porque se les va a dar un tema sobre eso. ¿Ok? Y por qué van a saber cuáles son esos pecados y por qué esos pecados están más arriba de los pecados capitales, y esos pecados se nos dice que son casi muy difíciles, casi extremadamente difíciles de ser perdonados. Okay. So, un pecado contra el Espíritu Santo es el que estuvieras tentando básicamente la gracia de Dios. Les voy a poner un ejemplo muy fácil y algo que nosotros hacemos mucho. Cuando cometemos un pecado y vamos a hacer algo y digo, voy a hacer esto, y piensas, no, esto es malo, ok, pero tú piensas en sí, ok, yo tengo la reconciliación, puedo ir a confesarme y ser perdonado. ¿Qué estás haciendo con eso, con esa acción que estás cometiendo?
Taking advantage.
Básicamente el pecado contra el Espíritu sería tomar ventaja con la gracia que Dios te está dando. Estarías usando a tu favor. Se los van a explicar más a fondo, pero un pecado contra el Espíritu estarías tentando contra la gracia del Espíritu Santo, la gracia de Dios y lo que te está dando regalado. Okay? So basically biting the hand that feeds. Right? Más o menos entendimos un poquito.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So va a haber más explicación sobre eso. So, les traje Oh yeah, so eso es todo. Ahora, the winning team is gonna open their magic box of wonders.
Let's let Renee.
I open the turtle.
So,
Can I have the key?
everybody come over here. Sí, ustedes por acá.
It's gonna be
Ustedes
a
por acá.
jacket.
If it jumps out at me, I'm gonna
They
cry.
have to share with us.
No, it's not.
It's gonna be
Probably
amusing.
I have a piece of paper that says
That's what I'm
congrats.
thinking, that's a.
Well, it could be anything. It's a wonder box.
It should be nothing.
Okay.
Shake it for us a little.
Shake it real hard.
Ready?
No.
So,
I'm
is
gonna stand behind you.
Hi.
Yeah. You
Why is
definitely
there
got
a
a lot of
key?
that.
This is yours.
That's good too.
Only
So-
them.
no, yo dije lo que era adentro de.
Only one
Adentro de la caja.
So, can we
Okay.
get the key?
Wait, let me get a picture.
Take a picture, you will have to.
So, ¿por qué?
We need the whole team.
So I knew basically that you guys were gonna get competitive. I knew that tensions were gonna run high. But what in the end are we? Are we teams? Are we boys and girls?
Yeah.
What are we?
We are one.
Children of God.
With the C? A word with the C?
Community.
We are a community. It says we are a community. That means everybody.
We all got
We all
a
get a
point.
point.
So we all get a point.
We all get a point. And we all get candy.
Ah, yes, chocolate.
So get in groups, share what you didn't know, what you learned, or what you didn't learn, what you want to know about, and share the candy.
I gave